he did first 4 years. I am sorry. I came back again. I campaigned for him and said it must be Buhari. He must be there. He is this. He is a saint. He's one. He knows the country. He can handle the economy. He can do this. You were doing all these things in the campaign. Buhari won another 4 years. The suffer increased. I am sorry. After Buhari 4 years, I still now came out and said, this is what Oshiomole is supposed to tell us. I still now came out after Buhari 4 years. I now told you again that Tinubu is the best man. He is going to continue from where Buhari stopped. I now told you that you should vote for Tinubu. He will turn the economy around. He will do this. He will continue with the good work of Buhari. Comrade Adams Oshiomole, I watched a video, another video interview that you did of recent. I will say I am highly disappointed in you. I will tell you my reason why. In case some of us did not watch the video of Comrade Adams Oshiomole of Edo State, share the video so that people can see and hear what Oshiomole is saying. Do you know why I'm saying you share the video? I'm telling you to share the video so that you people can even see what and hear what Oshiomole said, so that you can tell me if Oshiomole is doing the right thing or he's doing the wrong thing. That's why I want you to share the video. Now, Comrade Adams Oshiomole, in a recent video yesterday, he said that this present government inherited a very bad economy from the previous government, which is automatically what he is saying is that Tinubu government, which is he is a part of Tinubu government, inherited a bad economy legacy from the previous government, which is Buhari government, which he was also part and parcel of the government. He said that what this government is facing automatically is that if this government make 100 naira, 96 kobo, or if this government make 100 kobo, 96 kobo is going to service the debt, and then 4 kobo is left to service the economy of the country, to service the problem of the country. So he says that the previous government left a bad legacy of economy to us, to his, no, in fact, to not us, to his government, his present government, which is Tinubu government. Now, if I am going to comment or weigh in on this thing that Oshiomole is saying, I will first of all say that Oshiomole deserves to give Nigerians an apology. Him precisely, Oshiomole precisely, is supposed to apologize to Nigerians. Do you know why I said so? Share the video and let me tell you why. Comrade Adams Oshiomole, the reason why I am saying that you owe Nigerians an apology is because you campaigned for Buhari. You carry Buhari on your head. You campaigned for Buhari. You said, no, Buhari is the right man for the job. This one, that one. You said, no, he must continue. 4 years, Buhari started. The 4 years, we saw shaky. Things begin to go up. Price of goods and services begin to increase. We said, no problem. 4 years came and gone. Another 4 years, Buhari wanted to continue. And then you came out and you campaigned for Buhari. You said it is Buhari or nothing. That Buhari is on a journey of repairing the country, stabilizing the country. The country kept on going backward. We were looking at you. Buhari came back for another 4 years. The 4 years elapsed. You came out again and you campaigned and you said that, according to you, you said that Buhari has left a good legacy. Buhari has done a good job. That is the reason why you are telling Nigerians to vote for Tinubu, so that he can continue from when Buhari stopped. Is that not what you said? That Tinubu is going to continue from where Buhari stopped. That we should vote for Tinubu. And now you were campaigning for Tinubu, that he is the best man for the job, that he's going to turn the situation around. If you vote for him, he's going to turn the economic situation around. I don't know what happened. I don't know what INEC did. I don't know if he's right or wrong. I don't know if he won or he didn't win. But the case is in court. And we learned that judgment is coming. Was the case that they took to court. Now, Tinubu, they now install him as the president. They now swear him in. After they swear him in, he removed subsidy immediately. Of which now I am now hearing that the Tinubu government is now thinking of introducing temporary subsidy. You know, the time that they remove subsidy, I did a video and I said that before any country is going to remove subsidy, there are palliative measures that the country is supposed to take. This is a step to removing subsidy. When you start introducing palliative measures, that is when you now see that the palliative measures have eased a lot of tension, a lot of stress for the citizens and the economy. That is when you are going to now remove subsidy. Nobody wake up and remove subsidy. Okay, fine. You know that you inherited a bad economy. And the first thing you are doing when you are giving your acceptance speech is to say you are removing subsidy. And you went ahead to remove subsidy without any palliative measures. You remove subsidy. Now, after removing subsidy, a lot of things start to happen to our economy. Foodstuffs start to go up. Fuel price went up. Dollar started going up. And the rest of them so far increased. And then they now said, it seems like they are going to do a temporary subsidy. Now, that aside, Oshiomole, I'm still on your matter. You now saw after everything that is going on in the country, instead of you to come out and say, Nigerians, I am sorry. I campaigned for Buhari. I told you, I forced him on you. I campaigned. I shouted. I said that Buhari is the right man for the job. He did first 4 years. I am sorry. I came back again. I campaigned for him and said it must be Buhari. He must be there. He is this. He is a saint. He is one. He knows the country. He can handle the economy. He can do this. You were doing all these things in the campaign. Buhari won another 4 years. The suffer increased. I am sorry. After Buhari 4 years, I still now came out and said, this is what Oshiomole is supposed to tell us. I still now came out after Buhari 4 years. I now told you again that Tinubu is the best man. He is going to continue from where Buhari stopped. I now told you that you should vote for Tinubu. He will turn the economy around. He will do this. He will continue with the good work of Buhari. Now, Tinubu is now in the office. I will knock. I will do this. I will turn you upside down. I will shift your womb. See you see the woman. 2 minutes you are tired. You can't do anything. See Tinubu, see the country. The country is going backward. You now came out. This is what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to apologize to us and say, I am sorry. I didn't mean to bring this to you. I didn't mean to do this. Well, I'm sorry for the suffer. We have messed. When politicians start coming out to own to their mess up, we will start to give you respect. But you came out and you are saying that you inherited a bad economy. You see us finish, Oshiomole. You see, you are not supposed to say that thing you are saying. You are supposed to come out and apologize. Because the first time you came and you were telling us that Tinubu is not a magician. That you people did not promise us magic. That it's not magic that you promised us. We complain. We fire you. We bombard you. We say you're not supposed to say that. Instead of you to learn your lesson and come out and say, I am sorry, you are coming out to claim your right that this one, that one. You inherited a bad government from the previous bad economy from the previous government. Who is the previous government? Is it not Tinubu that brought Buhari? Then is it not the same Buhari that brought Tinubu? All of you? Is it not the same APC government? And you are telling us, Oshiomole, that you inherited a bad economy from Buhari. We deserve an apology in Nigeria. Nigerians deserve an apology from you. Wallahi, we deserve an apology from you. We even heard that they are saying that they want to increase, it's a rumor, say they want to increase fuel. And the president has come out to say there is no plan for any increment. Are you not looking around the town? Can you people even enter your car, drive around the towns and see for yourself the supper? There are no traffic in town now. Nobody is driving. No one need to buy fuel. Filling stations, they are complaining. I think I need to even go to filling stations to go and do interview for people that are buying fuel. Let me even hear from them. I want you to, because if you people are not even going to the town to see the level of suffer, let us go and do the interview and put it online so that you will see it. And you will know that people are suffering. To buy fuel now is something else. Now you have increased diesel. Manufacturers are saying they are going to lay off their workers. They can't meet up with salary. Running costs of business have increased. They cannot meet up. Now people are about to be jobless. Jobless people that are working will now come and be jobless and come and join us that are jobless. That means the level of joblessness will be too much in the country because we don't have job. And then these ones that are even managing, they want to sack them. Because of your policies. Because of your policies. They are not, what is happening? I am not happy, Oshiomole. That thing you said, you offended me yesterday. Big time, you offended me. I am sure I am not the only one Oshiomole offended. You that watched the interview Oshiomole did, I know you are angry that he offended you by not coming out to apologize. Instead, he is claiming that the inherited bad economy from the previous government. We deserve an apology. No, we deserve an apology. Yes. Even as I'm trying to talk to Oshiomole that what they are doing is wrong. Nigerians deserve an apology. Some people will still watch the video and say, man, this Malashaibu don't have sense. I'm used to it. I don't have sense. I don't want to even have sense. Yes, but I am the spice creator. This is something you cannot take away from me. It is my title. It's who I am. Google me. I'm not begging you again. If you like, don't Google me.